See, you have to open up any browser and then you have to Google download Turbo C for Windows. You type this and you have to select the very first link, okay? And then you can click on this. Okay, there are steps here that you should follow. How to install Turbo C++. First, you download this Turbo C++. Okay, and then if any previous version is there, you uninstall it. Okay, so I think I do have a previous version installed. So let me just go to that, Turbo C plus. Okay, this one you have to uninstall. Okay, so let me just delete it. Okay, and now let me see the download. Okay, you can open this folder. Here is the Turbo C. Okay, it's a zip file. You unzip it. So it is extracted to the, Turbo C 3.2. This folder, you have to go inside this folder and click on the setup application. Make sure this is the application. Run it. Okay, okay, when you click on next, okay, you can modify, repair, remove. We'll first remove, okay? It asks for the user permission, admin permission. Click on yes. It will take some time. We'll first remove the previous installation. Okay, now finish. Now again we will run this setup. Now this time we are going to install. Okay, click on next. I accept, install. Okay, it needs admin permission. Click yes. Launch the program. Finish. Now your application started. Okay. Now you have to create a new project. Okay. Or you can just click on start Turbo C++. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's close this window. Here the Turbo C is there open for you. Okay. And now you can close this by clicking these dots. Okay. All right. You can do F5. Okay. See. Now I want to create a new program here. Okay. So let me share this particular window. Okay. See, go to file, new. Okay. F5. F5 will maximize. Okay. Now in this one, you can write stdio.h. Okay, very simple program we are going to run. This is the library it needs. Okay, it contains printf function definition that we are going to need to print hello world. Okay, main function. This is the entry point of our program. Your program execution begins from main function, and then printf. This is the printf is the library function. It resides in stdio.h file, and you say hello world, and then okay. So you can save the program, file, save. You can name it as my hello.c, okay, and make see the path of this file, okay, which is C drive turbo C3 folder bin. Inside bin folder you have your file my hello.c, okay. Click on OK. Now you can run this program. Run. Okay, now the output is there, but you don't see the output window as in because you don't have here get ch. Okay, so get ch actually you trick the compiler that take input from user. Okay, so as soon as user press any key, when user press any key, then it will come to the code window. See, again you save this file, go to run. You can use shortcut keys also, Alt and R. See, Alt F you do, okay, the very first letter which is in red color, okay, and Alt F you do, it will be file menu will open. I want to go to run menu, so Alt R, and then, or you can do Control F9 also. Control F9. See, it prints hello world two times. Why? It is the, two times I executed this program. That's why it is showing two times output. So if I want to clear the screen, okay, before printing new output, I want to first clear the screen. Okay, clear screen will wipe out all the content from the output window. So I'll just do Control F9 now. I see hello world. Okay, so I can do Alt Enter and this screen will be maximized. See. If you want to maximize this, you do Alt Enter. You understand? See, Alt key, you have to press this key together if you want to maximize this screen. Maximize, maximize screen. Okay, you do Alt plus Enter key. Okay, Alt Enter and it will be maximized. Okay, and now you can do addition of two numbers program. You just go to Alt F new file menu new, and you can do void main. For addition of two number program, you need variables, two variables, number one, number two, and sum. Okay, in the sum, we are going to put addition of number one plus number two. We don't have numbers, right? So we are going to assign numbers to number one, and we are going to assign another number, okay, to number two. And then make sure it's a CLR SCR, means clear the screen before you show new output. You want to print, okay, now I want to print the addition. Printf addition is %d. %d is a format specifier you use because some variable, okay, it's an integer, right? Look at the data type for some the data some variable data type is integer, so for integer you use %d. So let me define here for int data type use %d. For float data type, use %f. For char data type, use %c. You understand? So basically, you have to check the variable that you want to print. Sum, I want to print sum. So sum is basically integer. So I can use % here. So wherever you use %d, okay, like look at here, I am using %d after is. So there I will get the value of some variable, so which is 30. I want to use printf function, so I need to include this library stdio.h. And I want to trick the compiler that stay on the output window until I press the enter key. or any key. So here it waits for you to enter or press any key. Any key means it's enter key or any key that is present on the keyboard. Okay, that's it. So you just save this file, give it a name. I'm giving it name as addition.c. Okay, dot .c is the extension of your program. Okay, if you give any other extension, it will not work. Like say if I give txt, it will not execute this file. If it's a C file, dot .c, then only it will execute. This is the name of the file, addition. Okay, and make sure you don't use space in here. Okay, it should become one word. Okay, save it. Okay, your file name appears here. Now you run it. Go to run menu. Here is the control F9 key that you can use shortcut. Okay, so I can just run this program. Addition is 30. See, so this is how you can execute the programs in Turbo C. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, so you can close this window if you don't want. Okay, so let me or you can go to file menu and you can quit. Okay, Alt X. A shortcut keyboard shortcut key is Alt X. So if I do Alt X, okay, you exited from the Turbo C. You understand? Next time you want to start Turbo C, you go to here, search menu, type Turbo C, click on the Turbo C++ app. This window will open. Now you can click on the Start Turbo C++. Okay, and here we go. We have okay this file. How do you open the previous file? Okay, you can go to the file, open. Okay, and I can click on the addition.c file. See, if I want to maximize this window, I can do F5 key. Press F5 key. Press F5 key. It's a function key. Okay, it will maximize the screen. Okay, maximize screen. All right, so do F5. Okay, it maximizes the screen. Okay, you can save this by pressing F2 key. See, you go to file, save. You want to quickly save your file, you press F2 key. So here is F2. I click F2, it is saved. Okay, you don't have to always go to file and click on save. It will take some time. Okay, you just press F2 key and it will save. Okay. All right. So these are you can compile your file Alt F9. Compile means it will not execute but just show you errors and warnings. Okay, it is not going to execute this program. It is going to tell it just tells you that what are the errors, warnings, okay, in your program. If there are no errors, it will say success. Okay. Alt F9 shortcut key you do. Okay, it will compile your program. Control F9 you do, it will run your program. Okay. I hope you understand this. Okay. So you want to see the output window. Let's say I don't use get CHE. Okay. Does it mean I don't get to see the output window? No. See, if I run this Control F9, output window is not showing, but output is there. How do I see the output window? Go to the window, click on here output. Okay, look at here, output window appears. If you close this window, again you can open the output window. Look at here. Okay, all right. So like this, you can use the options. Okay, all right. So that's it. We can quit this window now. Okay, all right. So that's it for today's session. You can install this Turbo C++ now in your system. Okay, have a nice day.